You're almost done. It's rough. That's my buddy. Alright. Marine, let's see what he does. 20 years ago though. There he is. He knows I'm watching now. Come on, bro. Nice. Oh, with all the knots?
More knots.
Oh yeah, I did that side. Oh yeah, I did that side.
I did the longest one. I tried to see that one, the one behind the kid. You see it, the one, two,
oh, okay.
four knots. That's all it had.
Well, that's what I did over there.
4 knots also?
Yeah. That's what it looks like. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 4.
Another couple of the first one's coming back.
Yeah, 4 knots. Same thing.